Hello everyone. I'd like to introduce the newest and possibly most ambitious project here at the Donkey Ranch. Making this street legal, at least for Florida's rules, is going to be a challenge. I think we'll be able to do it under the custom car designation. This thing is an absolute piece of art. The fella I got it from was going to race it in vintage races. There's always a chance of destroying it, and it's just perfect. I'll go through some of the details as we go around, but I wanted to give you just a walk around here to let you see how nice this is. Looking at probably the smallest interior of any car you'll ever see. You see down here, here's the drive line. It's direct drive. That's a torque tube. I'll be replacing that with a hopefully 2-speed transmission. And then you see the power steering and fuel pumps drive off the rear of the camshaft. And then you see the steering there. Very tight quarters, but secure, since these cars ran between 500 and 900 horsepower, weigh 1,400 pounds with the driver. Pretty amazing. Looking at it from the rear, the wing of course dominates everybody's visual, but you really got to pay attention to this fuel tank. It is an absolute work of art. All the welding, all the workmanship on this car is fabulous. You notice in the rear, there's just one single disc brake in there. It's because the axle is solid. I won't be able to put a differential in this like in the stock car, but we'll figure something out. Front end is just as clean and perfect as the rest of it. The workmanship on this front end and how clean it all is, it's just amazing. It's all powder coated. Speaking of this wing, one person can lift it easily. It probably only weighs 30 pounds. Look at the rear suspension here a little bit. And here, probably the craziest offset wheel I've ever seen. And just beautiful. It came with 2 other sets of wheels. Quick change rear end. And if you didn't understand how it works, that's the shifter right there. This car is in or out of gear. It's a push start, doesn't even have a starter right now. One last shot before we go. Just think what it would be like to see this thing on the street with a license plate and whatever lights or whatever else we need to make it somewhat legal.